Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I am fantastic. What about you?
You're fantastic. Oh my gosh, that is wonderful. Why are you so fantastic?
Because I am young, energetic, enthusiastic towards learning, and I love whatever I do because
Yeah.
that's when you will do, or else you will feel bored in any work.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's very true. Wow, I love your energy. That's fantastic to hear. I'm also great today. I'm a little bit cold, but that's fine. I'm okay. I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Brajesh Yadav.
Brijesh Yadav
Yeah, from India,
from India. Cool. Which city do you come from in India?
Uttar Pradesh. Do you know?
Where?
Uttar Pradesh, UP.
Uttar Pradesh. UP. Okay, no, I've never heard of it. But I want to see some pictures. Can you write for me?
Yeah, I must write, but you can understand by do you ever hear about Kumbh Mela?
No, Brijesh, I've never heard about that. What is that? Tell me. Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah.
I love India.
So in Uttar Pradesh there is many holy city and
Yeah.
Kumbh Mela is world's biggest fair.
Oh my gosh, you live here?
Yeah, and you will find Taj Mahal as well here in UP.
Wow, Brijesh, this is amazing. You live in such a beautiful place.
Thank you, and it's a really beautiful place.
I want to come to India.
Welcome. You can come and you will see. In India, you will find all world because here is big Himalayas and Taj Mahal, and recently Ram Mandir has been constructed working in Uttar Pradesh.
What kind of river do you have in Uttar Pradesh? You have a river, no?
Yeah, it's Ganga, Yamuna, and it's a mixture called Brahmaputra as well. And Ganga River is very holy river.
Yeah,
People, yeah,
people.
people come to take a bath in river Ganga because people just since it is very fortunately people can take a bath in Ganga.
What does it do for you if you take a bath in the Ganga? There's something special about this river.
Yeah, just people say that you will be sin free having taken a bath in Ganga.
Wow, that's beautiful. I really like your country and your city. Very cool. Very cool, Brijesh. I'm
Yeah,
from South Africa.
yeah, you can tell about South Africa.
Yeah, sure. So South Africa is a very diverse country. We have 11 official languages.
Yeah,
Yeah, so it's very hard to learn language there because there are 11. So you will spend years learning everything.
yeah. In India, I think 32 or 33 languages. So
33?
yeah, and India is also largest and diverse country, and India has surpassed China on the population.
My gosh. So Brijesh, can you tell me about yourself? I would like to know who you are.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. My name is Brijesh Kumar Yadav, and I have completed post graduation in English. So after that, I am just trying to speak English because I worked many jobs, but I didn't feel very good because I just want to be a like YouTuber, motivational speaker, English speaker because I was find that. I was not very fully, I was not getting my inner satisfaction. So
Mm.
I decided that I must do something like my dream job, and I will work on it. And
Yeah.
after that, first of all, my first stride will be speaking English.
Yeah.
That's why I am communicating with many native speakers nowadays. And
Mm.
if I will be fluent, then easily I will be like motivational speaker and English teacher as well. So I can be anything if I will keep practicing like this.
Yes, of course, of course. And you want to be a motivational speaker, you said.
Yeah, maybe because
Oh,
people came to me for good advice, and
yeah,
people feel satisfied with me, and I like reading book and reading news and general knowledge. I
yeah,
like most because while learning English, I find a lot of new things and
yeah,
news come from all around the world. I am interested into it. So through the reading news, I learning English. Yeah.
yeah. Well, Brijesh, that's awesome to hear. I think that you will make a great motivational speaker because you
Thanks.
speak very well and you're very positive.
Yeah, I am very positive, energetic because I learning English as well as I work out a lot because
Yeah?
workout gym.
You work out in the gym. What do you do?
Yeah, push-ups and dumbbells I like most. Yeah, because I just like biceps this time, and
Mm.
another thing I will see later.
Brijesh, I think I was wondering, do you ever do yoga?
Unfortunately, I didn't, but I just like gym. I know yoga is very good for health, and if
Yeah.
you feel frustrated from your job, and sometimes you can say you feel headache and something anything like this, then yoga must help you.
Yes, exactly. I do yoga and I love it. And it's very good for your body and for your back, you know? How old are you, Brijesh?
27.
Yeah, I'm 25.
Really?
Yes.
uh, yeah, it's good to hear that. So before I tell, did you assume my age?
Ah, yes, I thought you were quite young. I thought we were more or less the same age.
Yeah, same age, but not on the same page.
Yeah, not on the same age, but more or less the same age. I knew it. And
Yeah,
Bridges, what do you like to do every day? What do you do from day to day?
from day to day, I like to call my friend. Sometime I talked with my friend, and throughout the day, reading English news is my first hobby. And
Yeah.
rarely I skip workout. Workout I like workout most because we have 24 hours, so we must spend at least 1 hour for our body.
Yeah. Oh, I agree with you. Wow. That's such an important lesson that you've just taught me.
Thank you. So I work out every day, and if I want to be a motivational speaker, then I think that I must read a lot of things like motivational book.
Bridget?
Yeah,
Okay, you're here. Yeah, I think that you have just taught me such an important lesson. You said to me, we have 24 hours. We should spend 1 hour on our body. And that blew my mind. That was already so inspirational for me. Thank you. Because lately I have been not spending 1 hour on my body.
yeah, and it feels very good to me because if I don't do workout, then I feel You can say uh, a little bit mm, tired,
Mm.
t- tired and headache, feel headache little bit.
Yeah, you need a release.
Yeah, we need release, so that's why I work out, and after working out, I feel very good and refreshed.
Oh, okay. Bridges, do you like to go hiking?
I like, but I never did hiking.
You should go hiking. It's really awesome, especially if you take a few days to hike with some friends. One time I went on a 90-kilometer hike for 5 days.
Wow, it's
Yes.
a big amount.
Can I show you a photo?
Yeah, I am curious to see.
Yeah. Uh, uh, okay. It's coming very soon. There we go. It looks like this.
Wow, it's
This is the place where I went hiking.
wow. You are so lucky. You hike in these beautiful places.
Oh, it's amazing. It's like a lot of waterfalls. I went here and I was sleeping on top of the mountain, like here in a tent.
Wow, I wish I could go like these places.
You can.
Yeah, I must think about that.
You know, Brijesh, I think that you should write a book.
Yeah, in future I must try to write a book, but before that I will have to do a lot of work for our society, our people, because I belong from a small village where I saw a lot of things which are not make me comfortable. So,
Brijesh,
yeah,
do you know a city called Punjab?
yeah, I know.
Okay. I know someone who lives in Punjab and she became a famous poet. And she's from Punjab. She's from a very small city in Punjab. Her name is Rupi Kaur. Do you know her?
Yeah, I am not sure, but in Punjab there is a lot of great wrestlers like Neeraj Chopra.
Yeah.
Uh, there is a lot of great wrestler, and playing is their, I think, first hobby of that people, Punjabian people.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I think India is very inspiring and your people are very inspiring. I think it's amazing. I'm so happy to meet you today.
Yeah, same here.
I want to read your book one day.
Yeah, I wish, and if people will keep motivating me like you, I must write and I must be a great motivational speaker as well. I hope so.
I think you will be. You've motivated me to spend 1 hour on my body per day. So that's already a lot because nobody motivates me. So that's amazing. And what are you going to do after this lesson, Brijesh?
After this lesson, I gonna go for dinner.
Oh, that's so nice. You must enjoy your dinner.
Yeah,
Beautiful to meet you. Thank you for coming.
thanks a lot, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, Brijesh.
Bye.